Okay, so I'm going to something called, hi guys, so my name is Jeanette and I'm going to, Ray, please give me a second. I'm going to something called the Natural Networkings for, okay, let me start that again. Natural Networkings for Holistic Healthcare. Come explore a multitude of alternative healing options. Yoga, massage, Reiki, acupuncture, sound, meditation, nutrition, astrology, numerology, essential oils, and more. Hold on one second. Do you understand what's gonna happen if we go there and we see there's different times for things like sound bath? Yeah. Yeah, but I can't believe it started already. Well, you should have fucking paid attention. No. I sent you this a million times.
Organizing the thing.
All right, so we'll see you there. Anyway. I know. Anyway. I do want it to be cool for once. Okay, so we will see you guys there. Also, it's at a raw vegan restaurant. It's actually at the it's at the best raw vegan restaurant on the East Coast. I'm so excited. I first tried them at the Vegandale Fest on Randall's Island, and all the raw vegans we were with were freaking out over this wrap that Awa said tasted okay, right?
I don't know if that was the wrap, but one of them.
But the thing is that like when raw vegans taste anything like tiny bit tastes good, freak out. So I'm really, really excited because this place is amazing, and they're not like, everything's not like nut based. It's all like healthy raw vegan. And I'm just really, really excited. And yeah, I'll see you there. I'm gonna film my food.
Precious food.
Precious food.
I'm trying to find the word. It's like
exotic.
Gourmet.
Gourmet. Yeah. It's gourmet raw vegan. Yeah. So, I'm excited. Okay, see you guys there.
Just sit down, please. Thank you.
Oh, come on.
Oh, you got.
I ran because I forgot to lock your car, so I had to run back. This place is amazing. Wow. We were like, can we eat in here? It's like a museum of cool stuff.
I know people walk in and they're like, wait.
Oh my God. There's an amethyst in the middle of the chess game. Can you move down? Oh, I should go over there? I'm sure it's crazy. This is not like regular food, you know? Oh! Okay, take a bite.
Can I?
Yeah, you can.
I don't want to.
Sorry, this is the money shot.
No. Really good.
I don't even know how to eat it. I think we should eat it like a taco. Sauce is ridiculous.
Destroying it.
It's like way back to the store.
Okay, I left Awa alone and she came back with 3 more things. Are you kidding me, Awa? Wait, let me see the marinara.
I was like, I have to try
Your
it as
mom
well.
wants to take the painting sound and make a round. Why? That's now, like, anyone that comes in here just asks to do that, and they're like, that's not a good idea. And I'm like,
Well, obviously I'm having half of that.
I don't know.
Obviously. I didn't know that was an option. Dude, can we clear this space? Get down. No, come over here. You're too far away. You're too far away. I'm gonna get you really close, like in, like mad zoomed in.
okay.
Okay.
I got a lot of rules, Orson.
What am I eating?
Can I see one?
We took this one to go. Okay.
These are to go.
Oh, this you want to? You want to the paper? Oh.
Hold on.
I don't think I was able to do it last week.
I'm ready. So they used to have a new one here?
There's one more.
Remember the pizza? It's like...
Here?
Can I get comfy?
Oh, okay. So Lulu's in the car.
If I came...
Okay, so we're here at Roots Cafe.
Riley.
Roots Cafe in New Jersey. If you're ever in, what's the town?
Northville.
Northville, New Jersey. This is the best raw vegan restaurant, and there was only 3 things that we were allowed. No dessert. Dude, we have to come back. It's like tomorrow. And Donna is the chef here. She's amazing. Tell her I said hi. Roots Cafe.
Because today they have a limited menu because of the special event. That's why.
3 things on the menu. We got all 3 twice. No, we only got the marinara once.
No, happy to.
Hi. Oh, I just noticed the lights up there. Look, you see? And I love that. Yeah. You can sit on that? Yeah. I'm literally going there.
Wait. I don't think you'll be able to see me. Yeah, no. And you want me to go with you?
Nervous.
Remember?
Please. We're not going back there. I mean, it looks crazy now, but...
It is. Can use it.
Okay.
So Michi just got there when they were here?
Yeah.
What?
I mean...
That's interesting. Yes.
Oh shit. There's so much to look at. Wait, what about his eyes? Ah! So beautiful. Wait, how are you gonna play fetch in here?
We're not playing fetch. In the blankets yet. I'm like, what would make you think it's okay to play fetch?
Oh, that's your doggy. Okay. Ooh, don't move. Well, the nail. Hold on, let me get your nails out. It's not so good for my YouTube. Okay, yeah. It's good? Whoa, 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 whoa!
Listen, you worry about your
Wait,
thing.
whoa, whoa.
That was my thing.
Wait, how good is it? Wait, what's going on there? Oh, what? Hold on. Guys, we're having multiple orgasms. Multiple. Oh, that was so fucking good. Okay, whoa, 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 whoa. Let me see what's going on here.
Mama?
Okay, tell me again what this is. Oh my god.
Mama?
What am I looking at?
How much was this? Oh my
$4. Raw
Unreal.
vegan. Alright, so. Unfortunately, I couldn't film us eating dessert because we were having multiple orgasms. I want to say thank you so much to Roots Cafe for being the absolute best. And there was only 3 things available on the menu. Okay? And we had all 3, obviously. And we didn't even get to have a full menu. And they have a full thing of dessert menu. They have a full dessert menu. Okay, just so you know. But that was incredible, incredible. If you live in New York or in the tri-state area, if you live in New York or the tri-state area, you have to go to Roots. Oh my fucking god, you have to go to Roots. Best raw vegan restaurant on earth. They don't use any oils. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank
I'll see you
you.
soon. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
I'll see you soon. Bye. over there doing? See, this is such a beautiful Whole Foods. Okay, wait. Can you see this? I'm sorry, but I'm obsessed. It's so beautiful. Look at how beautiful that is. Yeah. Okay, so immediately after the restaurant,
I'm actually full.
we came to Whole Foods. Also, we got kombucha. We're gonna get drunk while getting our foot massage. Kombucha. Okay. Water. And I'm gonna get some more sumo. What else? Oh, and I'm just gonna get a box of greens. They know how to party. Okay, let's go.